it's Dia here. How are you? Welcome back, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I am an artist, illustrator and graphic designer, and yeah, I just do artsy stuff around here. So if you're interested, then subscribe if you didn't do it yet and follow my work. Today I only have a quick one because I wanted to just jump in and show you a Procreate trick that really helped me a lot for the first time when I started using the app. So if you're new to Procreate, then this video is definitely for you. So today I'm going to show you how to do the shapes, proper circles and squares and straight lines. And yeah, it's a very short video for beginners, so let's just do it. Okay, so let's do this. I had to turn the light on because the sun is setting, and for me it was still fine, but for my desk it's a little bit weird. But anyway, we're just gonna go with it because I started it already. So yeah, next time probably I'm gonna do it earlier. Anyway, so okay, I'm not gonna talk too much about it. What if we want to do a line? That's a little bit wonky. So how are we gonna make it straight? Basically, you have your little pencil and do the line and just hold it, and it's gonna be straight. And then you can move it around, you can change the angle, the length. Yeah, that's it. So that's for the line. Basically, you just draw, hold it, and yeah, that's it. Okay, do circle. Why am I doing this? I didn't do it with the first one. Okay, bear with me. Okay, again, can be a little bit wonky. It's not even that bad, but yeah, the way to do that's the same thing. You do your circle, hold it, and it's gonna smooth it out. Well, it's not really a circle, is it? It's more of an oval shape. So if you want to do like a proper circle, then you just tap on the screen and it's gonna be a proper circle. Basically, let's do another one. This is more of an oval shape, but if I tap, it's a proper circle. Alright, and then for the third one, what did I say? Square. My handwriting is horrible, but it's a quick one, so that's fine. Okay, again, you just do the shape, hold it, and it does it, but it's not equal on all sides. I mean, again, it's not that bad, but let's do another one. So if I do this, that is straight, the lines are straight, but it's not a square. So if I want a square, hold it as we did with the circle and the line, and then tap, and then it's gonna be a square, a happy square. Okay, so the thing is with this holding technique is that you have to release the pen first and then the finger, because if you're gonna why, what's going on? Oh, I changed the light. So if I'm gonna release the circle first, it's gonna go back to the other shape. So yeah, also if you do a line and you hold it, it gets smoothened out. But if you held it by mistake and you actually want it with the bumps, with rough, then you just do fingers, tap to go back, and you're gonna see this roughness if you want to keep that. You see what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's it. That was a very quick one. So just to recap, we had, not with the, we can't write with the thing. So we had the line, just hold it and then you can do whatever with it. Then we had the circle, hold it, tap, pen first, and then you release the tap. Third is the square, hold it, tap, I said tap, then release the pen and then your finger. And then if you want any shape and you don't want it to smoothen out, you just tap with your two fingers and you're gonna get back your rough shape. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. So this is it, guys. I told you it's not gonna be a big thing. It was very quick, very easy. Let me know if you have any questions about the app so I can cover it for next time. And yeah, like the video if it was helpful. Subscribe if you want to see more, or you just generally like my art, or you just like to listen to me in the background, or yeah, I don't know. And yeah, so subscribe and like and comment and let me know what you think, and see you actually see you this weekend, because this is video just in the meantime. I don't know, I just had a little bit time, so I just wanted to do it. So see you on the weekend for the second half of my sketchbook. Yeah, summer sketchbook thing. Alright, see you then. Bye!